Today we look at ratio word problems. Ratio word problems. And if you see the word ratio written in the problem, you will, right here, big one here, draw a ratio box. I will show you exactly and precisely so there's no confusion as to what I mean by that. And here's a problem. The ratio of flowers to weeds in the garden was 5 to 2. The ratio, notice that word ratio of, what did I say, flowers to weeds, or weeds to flowers? Flowers to weeds was 2 to 5. Flowers to weeds was 2 to 5. There are 30 flowers in the garden. There are 30 flowers in the garden. Wait. About how many weeds are there? About how many weeds? I can tell you're excited about it. So here's what that would be. By ratio box, I mean this. We're doing some comparison here. We need to organize our thoughts. A ratio box is just going to be a box like this, and you cut it into halves and halves, kind of quarters. And it gets labeled like this. The first column is the ratio. The second column is the actual. The first row and the second row are the two things that you're comparing in a ratio, because that's what a ratio is. What am I comparing? I am comparing flowers to weeds. And you can just put the letter F there and the letter W there for weeds. First box, first column is always going to be the ratio one, and the second one's going to be the real, the actual number. And then you fill in the blanks. What in my ratio, how many flowers were there? It was flowers to weeds, so flowers to weeds. 2 flowers for every how many weeds? 5. So there's my ratio part, it's 2 to 5. The second part is what actually were there? Well, we only know one of them. We know actually there are 30 flowers. So 30 goes there. Okay? Well, let's blow this up. Super giant. When you have a ratio box, it really is the same thing as having equal fractions. It's really what they are. And the book says when you do a ratio box, the easiest way to solve that is look for a constant ratio, or I'm sorry, a constant factor. Constant, you're looking for the constant factor, which means this. It's kind of big highfalutin words to say this. What do I do? What do I multiply 2 by to get 30? 2 times what number is 30, Jacob?
15.
15. That is my constant factor, and that is the same thing that I multiply the bottom by to get the number on the bottom. 5 times 15, maybe you can do it, maybe you can't, is 75. So if there's 30 flowers in the garden, then there would, if the ratio is 2 to 5, for every 2 flowers there's 5 weeds, there's 30 flowers, then keeping that same ratio, you would end up with 75 weeds. Okay, but they're asking you to find a constant factor, and that is what times this will give you that. It's the same thing You're just making equal fractions like we've done before. What times that? What times that? It's exciting, isn't it? Let's do another one. I can tell you're mesmerized by the whole process here. One more. How about this one? The ratio of boys to girls was 6 to 5. The ratio of boys to girls was 6 to 5. If there are 60 girls, I don't know how many boys. So if this is the problem as it appears in your book, this is what I need to see on your paper. And you have little lines and squares on your paper that you feel free to use. It's a ratio, so you draw a ratio box. Right. Label this with the letter R if you like, or ract if you want. Act if you want, actual. That's always going to stay the same. You're going to compare different things. This time I am comparing boys to girls. Boys to girls. What is my ratio of boys to girls? 6 boys for every 5 girls. 6 boys for every 5 girls. And they're going to tell me one of these actual numbers, and I have to figure out the one. Which one do I know? I know that there are 60 girls here. So you have to try to figure out what is your constant factor. What if you don't know 5 times what is 60? Then you might have to sit off to the side and do a division problem to figure out 5 times what gives you 60. You divide it out, you get 12. Your constant factor is 12. You multiply this by 12, and you multiply this by 12. 6 times 12 is 72. 72. So definitely, 4 out of 5 mathematicians would tell you that I need to see that ratio box on your paper. You don't have to write the problem out, but you got to show me the ratio. Questions, problems, concerns?